Welcome back to another vlog. So today, I got the parts in. I got the headlights, which are right here. You can see that right there. I got the headlights in, and I also got the fuel pump. Got the fuel pump in the mail. AEM. We're gonna open this box up and see what it looks like, and try to install it today, or at least get the process started. Might take the seats out and everything like that, and then it'll probably be like a 2-3 part thing, a couple days. Fuel pump I just recently got. I'm pretty sure it's just a pump in there, and I just reused the hardware from the old one, the factory one I have in the car. But this one's supposed to be able to hold more withstand more horsepower and stuff like that. So, might as well, instead of getting the OEM spec, might as well just go ahead and upgrade. So, let's cut this tape. You got some hoses, rubber hoses. The pump itself. Where's the end of it? There it is. Here's the pump. Let's take out the plastic real quick. It's got like a kind of like a dark green hue to it. It looks like it's not, this part's black, but the rest of it's like a green, like a dark forest green, like an almost black color. Yeah. Comes with some clamps, positive and negative. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to take out the passenger seat just to get it started. So, of course, go to the passenger side. Let's get things going. Size 14 socket for these bolts. Get the front one off, and then you're gonna slide the seat forward to get the backs. Now that all 4 screws are out of the passenger side seat, now you just gotta pull the seat out of the car. And then I'm gonna try to get to the back seat without having to take the driver's side out. Seats out the car. Now that the passenger seat's out, we can check out to see how it is getting to the back and taking the back seat out without taking the driver's side out. Like I said before, it's very dirty in here. You want to push down and pull this out. There's one on both sides to loosen up this bottom cushion. So I'm gonna try that right now to see if I can get the T-clips to come out. Like I said, I don't know the proper term for this clip, but I've heard people call it T-clips because they're shaped like T's, like the letter T. So we'll try that real quick. The T-clips are removed, so now the seat's movable. Milo. Go to this side. Pop the trunk. Alrighty. And we're looking for that right there, I believe. Yep. That little black hand. All right, we're back at it again for day 2 because I didn't finish it. It might be another day between this because I have to work in a few hours. So this is the back seat. See, it's flipped down already. And that's the inside of the trunk right there. The seat's already flipped down. And you got to take off this clip and the opposite end too, over there. I would go underneath the fabric. And do the same thing for the other side. That was removed. And you see the screw there. And on this side, there's a bolt here. So I think they're 2 different sizes too. No, they're about the same. They're the same. It's just someone must have been back here before. I don't know. Let me go figure out what size I need to get for these. Looks like it might be a 10. There's a 10 right here. We'll try this first. Yeah, 10. We'll try this 10 on both sides. And it's out. All right, so next, I'm pretty sure what you have to do is, because this piece right here has to come out. This piece right here has to come out. I'm pretty sure that holds it in is only a couple screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. And then this piece, I think, comes out. I'm gonna go ahead and take the carpet out the back of the car real quick. This is my slide I had on. And I'm gonna take this out. This side. Watch out, Lilo. My dog. What's up? Trash. See this? I need a new one of these because this one's ripped in half, and it's like most of it's gone. Water damage. We'll start from one side and work our way over. So what's next? So now what we got is where the fuel pump resides. The fuel pump lays right in this thing. So you need a Phillips head to take all these screws out. There you go. Pull the plate off. The fuel pump is over here on this side. That's the side you want to mess with. Now, before I do anything, I'm going to try to clean up some of this dirt and debris in here first before I decide to try to mess with anything further, because I don't want nothing falling inside of the tank. So I'm gonna get the vacuum back out. Also, if you're working in a garage, make sure you crack your garage door or something, because you don't want the gas fumes to get to you. not the best, but it's better than it was. You can at least see everything. It's not, everything is its own color now. It's very, looks muddy in here, but it's really dry. It's just dirt over the years. So the next thing you do is you're gonna disconnect these cords. You just pinch that in. So I just did it, pinch this side in and pull out. That gets that out the way. These, you see these little white pieces right here? You pinch those. You pinch those and you push away. All right, so be prepared because I wasn't. When you pull that first line off, this one right here, gas is gonna come out. I forgot to tell you guys that. So be prepared, get some napkins or something. I'll have a couple of napkins to clean it up with. Since I have both of these unhooked, both lines are unhooked, and this clip is undone, now I go ahead and I unscrew these. I think there's like 7 screws all the way around this thing. I unscrew all of those, and this sucker comes out. Go ahead and attach this line. Yeah, these screws from behind here, there, and all the way around. I think these are going to be hopefully these are 10s. Get yourself a towel. Let the bladder kind of strain out a little bit as you pull it up. A whole lot of gas in there. You get it out, this is what it looks like. Now this is the trash you didn't want to fall in your tank. See all that dirt falling off the top of this thing? But we're gonna have to swap out some of these components to put on the new pump. We're gonna try to do that right now. Look at all that gas in there. There's trash in there too, look at there. Some of the dirt fell in. Try to place these napkins over it for now, so nothing else falls in there. Place some napkins over there like that. We're gonna move this to the back of the car so I can, start swapping parts and stuff for the new pump.